Are we on? Are we live? Are we working? Yo, 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 yo. Yeah, I turned that on, Amelia. What's going on? All right, I gotta go bathroom real quick. I'm glad everything is working. I wanted to get on a little bit early to make sure everything was working. And I was napping so good. I was napping so good. But be right back. Okay, let's do it. Henry, Luis, Amelia, it's the walk to you. Hey, what's going on? What's going on, guys? What's up, everyone? Everyone stopping in. How'd you guys do today? I think did pretty good. I blew up that Tradeify account. Wah wah. I'm finished green on the PAs. Finished green on the My Funded Futures that I ended stream down 300. Ended up 400 on those accounts. So pretty good on those. These two PAs are looking pretty good. All right, this laptop screen is too small. I hate having this account thing up here. Sorry. Yeah, these PAs are looking pretty good. I flipped a few take profit trader accounts and still waiting on my Pro Plus account. Hey, 96, what's happening? Happy you guys are all stopping in here. Sorry about all the technical issues this morning. It was a nightmare. Well, I spent like 2 hours trying to like reset things, get everything working, and it still didn't work. And then I ended up crashing out in the middle of the stream this morning again. And hopefully everything stays working for the stream tonight. Walk to you. I hit daily loss limit on 2 evals. Trying to trade last night around 10:30 p.m. Eastern time. Usually only do New York. Being thirsty, I paid for 2 resets instead of waiting 24 hours. I'm sure the firm loves my impatience. Yes, they make a lot of money on our impatience. Walk to you. For sure. Which props are you trading with? Walk to you. Just curious. 96 made 1500 on 1 to 3 MNQ. Not a bad day. Wow. 1500. 1 to 3 MNQ. 96. That's pretty awesome. Nice work, man. On Buellanox? Nice. Yeah, Buellanox 75% off right now, guys. If you want to help support my channel, use code PINE. Appreciate you. Do I have any Buellanox accounts right now? Oh, I don't know. I'm signed in on this computer. Keegan, what's happening? Dean, right on time, honest take. What's happening, buddy? Yeah, I hopped on a little early, make sure everything was working. Although this morning, when I tried to hop on about 30 minutes early, the market opened, maybe even earlier. So about 8:45, 9 o'clock Eastern time, and everything just was malfunctioning. It was bad. It's bad. Everything seems to be working so far, so let's hopefully have a smooth night. Seems changing from NQ to MNQ was what I needed. In today's market, it's just not smart. Yeah, no, I hear you, buddy. Yeah, I'm a full degenerate, you know. Let's see, what counts here? My trading. I got this one. It's about blown. $700 from being blown. I have a few 25Ks. The 150K here. These PAs are looking pretty nice. Not really worried about the consistency. I'm just kind of trying to build them up as best I can. Seems changed from I read that. Them $40 resets adding up. However, I won't complain. Just got to do better. Yeah, we need another 90% off. Walk to you for sure. We need another 90% off. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Market is open. Thanks for stopping in. Switch to 1 mini here, not 3. I switched to 3, but see if we can at least have a little saving grace on this eval here. Market only goes up. Currently waiting for 90% to load up. Yeah, so yeah, for sure. F it, as the box says. F it. All right, so if we look at today, pretty much just like a giant range, but we ended up opening up well above the opening gap from the overnight gap, the new week opening gap, and basically just sold right off until we filled that gap. Once we filled that gap, we pushed back up into that range from the overnight, and kind of hanging out the bottom of that gap now. So we do have some news this week. Canadian CPI tomorrow, and Wednesday, core retail sales, at 7:30, 8:30 Eastern. And then Thursday, unemployment claims. And that's pretty much it. So, does anyone know if there's any speeches tonight? Yes. Honest take, as soon as they take the money out of the balance, you can start trading. Marco, what's going on? Go long on gold. Go long on gold, huh? Let's check it out. Does look like it's pushing higher. Yeah, no problem, honest. Oh, Fed speakers. It updates kind of late, Dylan. So for me, and it's been like this for a few months. Take Profit Trader ends up updating the dashboard at like 10 p.m. Eastern time. It's usually when it updates for me. So, hey Dell, what's happening, buddy? Dell Stone in the house. Can someone please explain how Apex works after you pass an eval, then pay the monthly or lifetime for what? What are you paying for? Are you paying for the activation, Dan? Activation for the funded account. Like I have to activate some Apex accounts that I passed. So like down here, like I passed a few, and like I have to pay for these accounts. I passed 7 of them the other day, so I gotta activate those. I'm gonna wait till I get home to activate them. Trying to trade off this little laptop and stuff is a little difficult for me, to be honest with you. Here we go, pushing down here. I haven't been noticing like the inside bar off from like even just before the market closes has been working pretty good. Like the market closed there, 450, and then the reopen, and technically the setup's still in play. It's always interesting. And I've kind of noticed that like when a new market opens up. So like say like the new 9:30 New York market Eastern time, and then like the 9, if you have a 9:25 candle or something, it can work. An inside bar. Alien versus Predator. Yes, you gotta pay for that fuel for the Captain Durrell SS trailing drawdown. Yeah, that's right. Couple million dollar horses he has. $7 million in horses or something like that. Something crazy. Let's take a look at gold. Let's take a look at YM as well. What's you guys doing here? Okay, there's the push down here, 18,860s. It's about a 46-point range right now. I'm trading this PA here. I mean this eval. This is the one I was working on last night that I got absolutely destroyed on. So it could get cooked pretty quickly. I will be trading minis on it. If you guys are just new, I like to trade my evals super aggressive. Check out the 1 minute here. I think we have a lot of room to the downside. We'll take a short here. Just on eval only, guys. I'm playing smash or pass on this eval here, so. Hey Terry, you're short too? Well, good luck. I think we could actually go lower. I'm gonna actually target the bottom of this wick here. Let's stop down. Don't like the spreads. I really should consider like trading MNQ on the open just because of the spread. Spread's much tighter on the MNQ. But it's not terrible tonight. Good luck, good luck. You probably got in a little bit. You probably got short a little bit earlier than I did, though. Hey, just ain't right. What's happening? Good to see you. Yeah, you did. Yeah. Sorry about the squeaky chair. I kind of like the chair though. It's in this hotel. It leans back. It squeaks. Need some WD-40. My chair at home doesn't lean back at all. Kind of want to try a tight stop loss on scalps and let them run strat. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. I might even, I don't have that much room on this eval, but I was thinking about even DCAing, but only $700 left to draw down, so we'll see. Not a whole lot of action so far tonight. Hey, Rock Driller, yeah. What's happening, buddy? Hey, Joker, what's going on, buddy? Good to see you. Hope you had a good day trading. We had a pretty good day. I did blow my Tradeify account that I had built up quite a bit, which is a little bit disappointing. But oh well. All the other funded accounts were green. And I flipped a few take profit trader accounts. So hopefully I can get my pro accounts pretty soon. I think I maybe have one more day left to flip. And then I gotta find out where my pro plus is. All right, gonna put in an inside bar here. Well, I'm getting a lot of lag. A lot of lag. Oh, nice Joker. Congratulations. Take profit trader for the win. I'm sure you'll get it. Alright, I'm gonna tighten my stop a little bit. I don't like that sweep of that inside bar and then immediately push back up. Hey, John Walk, what's happening, buddy? Good to see you. But congratulations on the 2 payouts. I'm sure you'll get them just fine, Joker. Just fine. Yeah, my take profit trader, that 4K that I requested, well, 5K, and then of course I took out the profit split, just hit the bank today because I forgot to hit the proceed button. So when you request a payout, it goes to your wallet, and then you request out of your wallet, and then you have to hit the proceed button again. It's like 3-4 steps. It's kind of dumb, but I forgot to do that. I'm like, where the heck is my money? How come it hasn't hit my bank account? So I hit the proceed button this morning, and it hit the bank instantly. So, but yeah, I'm still waiting on my Pro Plus account. I'm I'm probably gonna hit up, if I don't get it by tomorrow, or if I don't hit anything by tomorrow, I'll probably hit up support. Right, this trade is looking okay. It's just not moving very smoothly. My trade of 8 is actually kind of glitchy right now too. Yeah, for sure, Bruce. And Tradeify, guys. Bruce, like, Tradeify, just like my funded futures. Super fast. Like, within a minute, you get paid with Tradeify. The first time I got payout with Tradeify, it took a bit. I think maybe because it was my first payout. But then, like, the ones after that were just, like, within minutes. But I usually get approved from Take Profit Trader by overnight, like 10-12 hours. All right, there's a nice push down there. Bottom of this wick here. $54. All right, let's see if we can get full TP here. I think we sweep that wick down here. Use the tech support. Yeah, I do, Dylan. Yeah, I don't have any inside yet. Hopefully someday I'll have some inside as an affiliate with Take Profit Trader and these companies, you know. Once I get bigger, I think hopefully I'll have a little more inside pull with these guys. Yeah, I don't have any contacts with anybody than any other any more people than you guys do. All right, was I being a dick for a tick here? John Walk and Joom are BFFs now. Oh, nice, Bruce. You have a few more days and you're going to request from Tradeify? Nice, congratulations. Hopefully you get there. I'm sure you will. Keep grinding. So we are short NASDAQ here. 876. Been in this trade for about 15 minutes. Still like it. Go touch crash. All right, stopped out there. Wow. That's a little unfortunate. Can't go touch crash. Futures market's open 23 hours a day. We got to trade it. So that was a little unfortunate. We were about uh I don't know. I think it was a troll. Got rid of him. Goodbye. That's probably Stock Tiger. That was Stock Tiger's alt account. That's what I think. Wow, so I was being a dick for a tick there. That's a little unfortunate. Perhaps I moved the stop loss too tight, but man. I really thought we'd sweep the bottom of this Hey, Mo Lester in the house. What's going on? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mo. Wow, that's amazing. I can afford to go home now. Thank you, Mo. Yeah, Mo's the man. Hey, when I get back home tomorrow night for tomorrow night's live stream, we'll do a giveaway. We'll do a giveaway in honor of Mo. Mo Lester. We'll do a giveaway. I don't have it set up on this. Thank you so much, Mo. Mo's the man. So how many points did we get off from that inside bar there? 9.5 ticks, huh? 9.5 points, I mean. What's the new Topstep change? I don't know. I have no idea. Does anyone else know what happened in Topstep? I've been out of the loop. I haven't been paying attention. Boy, I feel like I'm just gonna get faked out here if I try a long. I really want to go long here. I am long. This will pretty much blow the account here. It's it's just an evaluation. Oh yeah, I heard about that. Yeah. They're talking about allowing people to 1 day pass, but then adding consistency rule on the funded side. Yeah. Yeah, I heard that was a rumor. I don't think they actually changed it yet though. Hey Daryl, what's going on? I heard they've basically been bombarded with new people and experiencing trouble with people not being able to cross over to pro in an expedited manner. Hmm. That's an interesting walk to you. So I'm looking for a long here off the wick test, but I feel like I'm just getting chopped up again like I did last night. Yep. Alright. Switch to this account. This account's better. I like this number better. I didn't like 462. I mean 464. 464 is unlucky. But I'm having a lot of trouble with this the open market reopen. You think TPT's going down too, Zabak? They're all going down. Hey, CT, what's going on? CT trading in the house. I think I said hi to you, Daryl. What's going on? Memory like a goldfish. I have XFAs with them, and I'm really not happy with that. When they limited the withdrawal to 5K, I felt it was fine, since almost no one gets to withdraw 5K anyways. But consistency rule, yeah, it's basically Jose. It's basically going to be my funded futures. So that's basically what it's going to be. Pass in 1 day with the consistency rule is my funded futures. Nice, Dan. Nice short. I was short, and then I got scared out of it. It came back, hit my TP, almost not quite to the tick. Yeah, pretty much to the tick. And then now it continued short, so yeah. That's not a good start. Doesn't Topstep still have a doesn't Topstep also have a scaling rule? Yes. I believe they do, Amelia. So do the My Funded Futures on the starter accounts. I should be trading gold. What do you think about gold long here design? I'm breaking out of this channel here. Kind of does, don't it? Am I even on the right gold contract though? I don't think I am. What is the correct gold contract? JCM, right? Consistency rule also means no more runners. Yeah, Jose, I don't like it at all. No, I don't like that at all. So, if you guys don't like consistency rules when it comes to funded accounts, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Future Starter Plus accounts, then the expert accounts, My Funded Futures. So, but yeah, let's give it up for Mo Lester in the chat for donating $100. So awesome. Really appreciate it. He's very generous to all the, or most of the small time streamers, our little streamer community. So awesome. It's like a long in gold. We'll have to watch NASDAQ while the gold is running. NASDAQ's continuing to push down in this downwards channel here. Let's see here. Bad lines, but kind of see what we got going on here so far tonight. But yeah, I don't like it at all. Consistency rules are meant to keep payouts to a minimum. Low spread for prop firms, so you have more chances to blow the accounts out. So yeah, I agree with you 100%, Zabak. I mean, the whole thing with Topstep, in my opinion, what made them great was just being able to trade them like how you wanted to trade, like, you know, especially the way I like to trade, where I like to trade a little bit larger size and look for bigger runners and stuff. Yes, Carlos, what's going on, buddy? Pretty good, Carlos. I ended up blowing a Tradeify account today, but everything else was green. All the funded accounts for PAs look good. My funded futures that I ended the stream this morning, I was down $300. I ended up going up plus $400, so not bad. 60-hour trader, yeah, Mo's the man. So yeah, if you guys are just tuning in, like this morning, I had all kinds of technical issues. I tried to reset my computer. I tried to re-download Streamlabs. I tried everything, and it was just a nightmare. And I finally got it working. So we're on this gold trade in the background. I got to stop just below the session low. Still watching the NASDAQ, the nasty NASDAQ. Yeah, I'm not trading the personal right now, Carlos. I'm waiting on that Pro Plus account. I just want to trade that. So I have the personal fully invested right now in JetQ. Not financial advice. You're gonna fire Bielanox and switch to TPT, walk to you. I love Take Profit Trader. I love Bielanox too. I like them both, but Take Profit Trader is definitely my favorite. But I'm still waiting on my Pro Plus account, Carlos. I figured I'd have it, and then I was gonna treat that like like my new personal because it's a live account, but I haven't gotten it. So I'm gonna hit up support tomorrow if I don't get it. Walk to you. So yeah, well, if you get some Take Profit Traders, feel free to use my code PINE. I just got my code last Thursday. They finally accepted my my discount code, so after being denied 5 times, they finally accepted me. But if you don't, perfectly cool with me. But currently 30% off, no activation fees. Still with Take Profit Trader. So I don't know how long it's gonna last, but when they have that no activation fee, it's one of the best deals they got. I started my first pro account. Any suggestions on the trailing? So lo-fi and chill. I don't want to give you financial advice, but I think I don't know if you like, I tried to squash that intraday trailing drawdown as fast as possible. I traded my pro accounts pretty aggressively, and I generally get to pay out on day one. And once I get past that trailing threshold on day one, I really tried to push it heavy and look at making enough profit where I could actually reset the account like multiple times, or get new accounts multiple times by getting a single payout. So that's kind of how I've been doing it. But if you already got a little bit anxiety about over trading on the day one, I would suggest to size down as much as possible. So even going for one MNQ or whatever you trade, so a 1 micro, and then take your proper setups and count points, like how many points you got for the day. Like, don't look so much about the money, like count the points, and then it's all about sizing up after that, right? So yeah, if you got a little anxiety about your pro account, just size down. I think that's the best way. Topstep appeal was no consistency after funded 50%. If whatever profit you had, 25K micro scalping, 5 copy trading, they are becoming the opposite of the motto, one goal. Yeah, no, I understand, agree, Jose. Yeah, it's definitely a little unfortunate if they do go to that consistency rule. I don't know. I mean, I'm not gonna make an effort to jump in. So our gold trade is working out very well so far. Basically this is what I was looking at, this little trend line break. And so yeah, we'll see what happens with that. Hey, Coach Fred, what's going on? Yeah, definitely you can do it, Coach Fred. Like Coach Fred today, lo-fi and chill, he got over the buffer using micros today. So a little Slade, trades by Slade, trendline break. See, he's not even watching, I don't think. Maybe he is on. It's kind of exactly what I liked watching on gold, the little trendline breaks. I know Slade likes to look at, sometimes he looks at the trendline break and then comes back inside it or something and looks for the failure. Something, I don't know. I haven't quite paid attention. He's on too damn early for me to watch, so. Gold is running here. Move the stop to break even. Let's take a look at NQ. But nice little inside bar here. Could possibly try, but I feel like I want to size down. Long NQ here. It's a little scary with the VWAP right there. Still in this downwards channel too. But the setup is there off the inside bar, so as you see the break there. Nice little break. Rejecting off that VWAP though is kind of what I suspected. We'll stop at 848 and see if we can pump above that VWAP. We'll see. So far the gold is saving us here. Nice little gold pump. No, it's not really, not for NQ. No. Thank you, Amelia. Kind of just stuck in this little downwards channel so far. Maybe we get a little lucky and it breaks out through, but I was going off this inside bar break, and so far it's definitely rejecting off that VWAP trend line to the downside, so. Oh, nice. How fast did you get paid, Coach Fred? My first Tradeify payout was a little slow, but then the ones after that were like within minutes. But congratulations on your Tradeify payout, man. That's awesome. You've been kind of crushing it lately. So yeah, Coach Fred got approved from Tradeify within minutes. If you guys are interested in Tradeify and you want to help support my channel, you can see the link in the chat. You have to use my link and then use the code SPRING. So you have to use my link and then use the default code for the discount. And hopefully within I'd say a month or two, maybe 2 months, depends on how much you guys use my link and code, that code, then hopefully I have my own custom code through Tradeify. So yeah, congratulations, Fred. For the first one from me, since I was already KYC on Rise. Oh, right. Mine took longer because I have a shady KYC. You're not wrong. So that kind of reminds me, Amelia. So a couple years ago, I went and got my concealed carry permit, and or anytime I buy a firearm or whatever, they have to run expanded background checks on me because apparently there's a really violent felon with the same name as me and the same birthday as me, and he lives in New England. So every single time I buy a firearm, or when I went into the police station to get my concealed carry permit, they had to run an expanded background check with me. Yeah. It's kind of crazy. Same birthday. Yeah. Same name, same birthday. Alright, looks like we gotta stop on that MNQ. Yep. I think I wasn't in the minis there. Andy lives in Massachusetts. And if you guys know, I live in Maine, so which is not that far away. And I didn't know that until I went into the police station and they told me. So I had to go into the police station for, the interview so they could issue me my license. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. All right, so I'm loving the gold trade right now. The gold trade is kind of saving my account right now. We took another big hit on the MNQ. I keep trying to long like a bozo when the market is, then NQ is clearly going down in this downtrend. Down channel, I mean. Maybe Terry trades is still long. I mean, still short, not long. Yeah, it is freaky though. All right, pushes back up to this trend line. I'm just gonna hop in short. Trader 007, what's going on? Really, gold? You play me like that? Hey, Trader 007. I think I said hi to you. Hello, Treetop. What's going on? Hey, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Got my free reset from Topstep. Everyone should check their inbox. Oh, interesting. See, I'm not gonna check it on there. Hey, Darcy, what's going on? Yeah, spread is a little nasty. Oh, come on, gold. Really? All right. Wow, what a pullback on gold there. Stopped out on break even. I guess I should have taken profit once we took out these tops here. You guys check your inboxes, I guess, the free resets for Topstep, possibly. Let me check. Nothing for me. Not yet. Check my spam. Nope. What was it for? Does anyone know? I probably should have had. Oh. I think I had an account. Is it $29 combines? Really? It's only Monday and already a long week, Amelia. Yeah. Michael Patag announced on Topstep TV today, everyone getting a free reset due to the market volatility. And plus and minus 5% stuff. Oh, yeah. I think I had an account. I don't know. Oh, and the 5% rule, right? 50Ks are $20? Dash 25 for the first 5 combines on the new dashboard. I don't think I have a new dashboard though. I don't think I have it. Let me see. Let me just black out my screen real quick. Are they doing this just before they go to oh, okay, Dan, I will. That's exactly what I'll do. So yeah, they doing it for the new rules or the 50% consistency or whatever they're supposed to come out with. Not 50%, but consistency rule with the funded accounts, the XFAs, which I hope they don't do. I really hope they don't do that. That gold long was a little frustrating for me. Nasdaq's continuing this downwards channel. Pretty poor price action, Fred was saying, and I agree. Yeah, if you guys want, on Topstep TV, they have a pinned message usually that you can sign up for the new dashboard. So if you guys want to try that, then no, it's not too bad, 96. But Topsteps was the only one that felt like, you know, you could just kind of trade how you wanted as a trader. It felt pretty freeing, you know. Yeah, hit the button short wood chip and just let it run, right? But I mean, there's some rules that I could see like them enforcing, like, or getting rid of, like, you know, news trading, like they allow news trading, things like that. And you know, people go in there and they just YOLO the news, you know. Right, and I think it's those ones they're really trying to punish right now. Everyone else is just in the crossfire. Yeah. Yeah, and with the market volatility the way it is, that has been, you know. It's like, I mean, to be honest with you, I mean, that's how the market volatility is how I ended up getting so much out of take profit trader. On normal days, it's pretty hard to, the market goes back to normal, it's pretty hard to make that kind of money. You're catching 200-point moves both ways, you know, in a matter of like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It's kind of crazy. All right, pushing down here, 818s. We're in a beautiful gold trade here. Just stopped out. For break even. Boy, it was we had a nice runner going on. I guess I didn't take profit. I feel like going long again. Same spot. But we'll see. Although it feels like we kind of broke the downtrend or the uptrend here on this move. Let's take a look at YM. YM still kind of on that downtrend too. A little more defined. See a nice close above this trend line. You know, could be a nice trigger long, little market shift. But right now, there's just no reason to try for a long. I mean, you could try to like scalp a long or something, but it just seems dangerous. Yeah, I know. My first short. It's beautiful. That seems to happen to me a lot at night during this type of market, is where I tend to like try to flip the switch and stuff, and I get beat up real bad. You know, what I try, because I'm a momentum trader. Like during New York, I trade momentum candles and breaks, things like that, and then it doesn't seem to work as well during this type of market. So what happens is like I'll be like, oh, look at this, you know, we're breaking down through, and I'll try a short, you know, selling bottoms and buying tops, you know, and then it doesn't push, and then I'll flip the switch, and then it reverses back, and I just gotta flip the way I think in these markets sometimes. New York doesn't trade the same. And I have so much screen time with New York session that I tend to I trade a lot of that discretionary type style, but that's all right. Push it down here, 18,800 psych level. Trying to hold. Beautiful Harami there at 425 for the push. Just ain't right, Mo. It just ain't right. Yeah, to the Real Asia Open design, exactly, 8 o'clock. I feel like I want to write to Take Profit Trader and ask him where my Pro Plus account is. Where my Pro Plus at? I want it. I want it now. Is anyone still waiting on their Take Profit Pro account from last week? I won't get a response from TPT, DS. I'm a YouTuber, DS. Of course they'll respond to me. I'm just kidding. Yeah, they've been a little slow. The popularity that they're having growing pains for sure. They are hiring. You still waiting, Kevin? See, Methodical Man got. Was it Methodical Man? I don't know. Someone got it. You know, they passed their account to get their pro account, and it was there that night. Right. Yeah, Donna. Yeah. So it's just like it was certain people. A6B. Yeah, they are behind. Bought a TPT account last week. They didn't enable data, so it's useless. No responses. Unreal. I passed an eval with the message to go pro. It was there, but the activated pro was never there. About 10 minutes via online chat, and it was fixed. Oh, you pay for the recess? Maybe that's fine. Yeah, maybe. You've moved on and use Tradeify and MFU now. That's so weird. It's just it's just been since last week. For I swear like the dashboard or something screwed up. So I've always had like pretty good luck with their support too. I've had issues. I had a pro account. They said they ended up canceling it. Said I left an order on overnight, and it wasn't true. And then I hit up support, and I got the account back, which I was really surprised. All right, getting a push up here. Do we break this channel? Or do we short off the channel? Tight stop, short. What is this? Not that one. Let's do this. You know it's not gonna work now. That's breaking through. Exit. Kind of trying to break out that channel now. Is this a good long off the inside bar? Probably. Gave up on TPT. Should have started hiring before they announced the no daily loss limit. These props need to learn their lessons from other props that messed up. Yeah. So yeah, they are supposedly hiring. You know what? I'm gonna try a long here. If I was you, I'd fade me like that. I feel like we're trying to break out of this channel to the upside. Kind of got rejected there. I gotta get rid of these show fill lines. Yeah, they should, David. Where do you apply for TPT? What do you mean? Oh, where do you apply? See if someone. I don't know. I just heard that they are. Before Mo's super chat goes away, just want to thank Mo. If you guys are just tuning in, Mo Lester in the chat for the donation of $100 to the super chat. Let's give it up for Mo, Uncle Mo, Big Mo in the house. The volatility last week probably had something to do with it. Massive gains, massive blowups, massive resets. Yeah, for sure. Design. Yeah, you're not wrong. Another red flag for TPT. Won't they? Why don't they have a Discord like other firms? Shady. I don't think so. A6B. I think they're just going through some growing pains for sure. Like I still got paid the other day. Like I went to get a payout and was paid within, overnight, which is normal. So they're still paying out for sure. I just don't understand the account activations, which is a little weird. So usually when there's a red flag, is people stop paying. So that's usually the red flag. Yeah. So I just don't know. Nice, Smokey. Good. Nice, man. 10K day for you on a TPT. Nice. Yeah, they should do some explaining. Yeah, at least put out a tweet or something. You would think that maybe there are resources dedicated to the live account conversion. Yeah, so I'm still waiting on mine too, Coach Fred. My take profit trader pro account, pro plus account. I mean, JC Trades. What's going on? Payouts are automated and accounts are human. That's interesting, Greg. They need to get that automated too. My Fund of Futures has automation down to a science. Now there is a problem with that. I once had a problem with activating a My Funded Future account. It was on the last day for a rebill, and from my understanding, the rebill was for after market close. Well, I passed the account while the market was still open, and then I never got my. They canceled my account and reset it, and I already had passed that account that day. So I'm still waiting, Smokey. Still waiting. I did take 50%. I actually took that 4 grand today out of Take Profit Trader and moved it to my bank account. So I went right to the bank. One thing I noticed is that we don't see the aggressive promos since a few weeks. Yeah. I can still trade it probably. Well, actually, I think it's gone. I think it's gone, Smokey. I don't know. you guys, you guys, you guys remember oh, I think my Take Profit Trader, the account, once I took the money out, I think it's like the account, it still shows on my dashboard, but it's not on my Trade of 8. the Pro account that they moved me to Pro Plus. That one. Yeah, you guys remember that Apex Discord last summer? Man, that was entertainment. That was as much entertainment as Fast Track Trading Discord. Yeah. I went to Shake Shack today. Shake Shack. All right, we look like we're breaking out of this channel here. So I am long, struggling. You're still open? Let me check. I'm signing in my take profit. Log in. Alright. Let me unveil myself. So it is so like my account is still here. This is the 25K account that that they moved to Pro Plus. You see the payouts here, or the P&Ls. But it's not on my Trade-of-8. It's gone. All these accounts I'm waiting for to activate, which actually I can flip right now. I might as well. Market's slow enough. Flip. So when you hear someone say, let's flip account, if you guys are new traders, so I'm flipping for days, just to get added days. So this is how I do it. This is how I do it. So yeah, I just flipped a day there. And do it again here. All right, flipped a day there. And I'll do it again on this account. Because you gotta flip for the 5 days. I'm already over there, and that's flipped. So I just flipped all 3 of those accounts. So because you need 5 days traded, but they're already to the profit target. So these 3 accounts are gonna be converted to Pro, hopefully. Hey, Rugazzo, what's going on? Thank you for the sub. Appreciate that. Hey, it's nice to see the widget is working too, my dancing avocado. Jay Stores, what's happening, buddy? Haven't seen you in a while. What's going on? Hey Sherry, what's happening? Sean, what's going on? Retest the trend line, hopefully. You gotta take Advil for this? I know. What's going on, John? Another John in the chat. John Ragazzo. Okay, because I thought that meant you was gonna flip my account for me. Yeah, right. Alright, I got taken out of one here. I gotta pay attention here. So basically just a little break of this trend line is what I hopped in on. This downward channel. Nice push up here. I'm just gonna keep my stop at break even here. See what happens. Pretty much. Trail it a bit. Let's lock in 200 bucks. See if we can let the rest run. Get this account right back out of drawdown here. Lock it in. Might be down a little bit. Any 90% discounts? No. Not that I know of, guys. 75% off Ulinox right now if you guys want to use my code PINE. Not a bad deal on the end of day accounts, which is the option 2s. Feel free to use my code PINE. Appreciate that. And My Funded Futures has that eval to live account. That's 40% off, right? 40%. And you guys can use my code PINE on My Funded Futures, guys. And of course, Take Profit Trader. 30% off. No activation fees. Use code PINE, all caps. PINE, all capitals. Appreciate you guys supporting my baby channel. Yeah, Fred. Yep, it still works. Let's see, because it'll show. See, still shows the trade. Pretty good, huh? Not bad. Cost me 50 cents, I guess, or nothing. Didn't cost me anything. All right, nice trade we got going on here. Basically, all I was doing on this trade was taking the break of the downtrend. Let's see here. We ended up going in 2 contracts long on the break of this trend. I did static, need 2K profit. Oh, nice, John Rugg, Gazzo. We got so many Johns, I gotta start nicknaming you guys. $39 resets. I'm gonna wait on this. Check in the mail. Yeah. No idea I do it. Oh, so this is. I'll show you my bracket. I have my flip bracket here. It's just a 1 tick and a 1 tick. And I use an MNQ. One tick stop loss, 1 tick take profit. Don't trust anyone named John Walk. John Walk, yeah. Don't trust anyone named Joom either. Joom here. Hey guys, Joom here. Hey, grab water. 5 o'clock somewhere. No, it's actually a water. Sparkling water. If I did a 300K account, threshold is 7K. Would have stayed in that run up. Static is only $600 drawdown. Yeah, John. John Rugg. I actually ran up a static account too. Unfortunately, I blew it before I got a payout. Very unfortunate. The nice thing about those static accounts is that you can get, if you start out good, if you get a good start on them, they're awesome. But yeah, $600 drawdown is very tough. If you're trading one micro or something, 2 micros, it's not bad, but yeah, if you get a nice start on the static account, it's really good. Blue Sky has static accounts, but I don't know too much about Blue Sky or Blue Ski. What am I gonna eat for dinner tonight? I had a burger for lunch, so burgers are out. Ribeye. Not a big steak guy. I'm more of a burger guy. I know. I know. I can see people unsubscribing already. Homemade lasagna? That sounds good. I love lasagna. Mo Lester with a 20 gifted. Holy cow. Gee, I'm so disappointed. Love a good burger shown. Yeah, me too. Thank you so much, Mo, for the 20 gifted subs. Really appreciate it. You having a freak off tonight, Stone? Thank you so much. Mo earlier donated $100 to the chat, guys. We're going to do a giveaway tomorrow night when I get back home. I feel a little flustered. I don't really want to do it on my portable setup, but we'll do a giveaway tomorrow night. 6 Eastern, as long as my plane doesn't get delayed. I should be home. I'm scheduled to be home 3 hours before tomorrow night's stream, so I'm more of a manwich guy. You're not wrong. Thank you so much, Mo. You actually really made my day, actually. Really, that actually sounds pretty good. Thank you so much, Mo. Yeah, it's still going. It's gonna go for a while, guys. Mo's the man. Super supportive. If I wanted to get into trading, how much daily hours and average should I be prepared to spend to be able to do this effectively? Yes, I have tens of thousands of hours on this computer for sure, Valak. Not financial advice, right, guys? But Valak, so my suggestion to you is to this is what I tell all beginner traders pretty much, is to trade demo, right? Find your edge, learn the platform, right? And then get a cheap evaluation to get a little skin in the game. So something like a Bulanox or an Apex when they're running a sale, you know, 20 bucks, 30 bucks max. So that way you have a little skin in the game, because most of this trading stuff is just psychological. And then, you know, see if you can end up passing those evaluations. And yeah, it's a lot of it's about screen time, tons of screen time. So hope that helps. And yeah, I mean, we have so many great traders in the chat, so feel free to ask questions anytime. I'm also going to put a link to the Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's completely free. But I don't think you'll I think if you love the trading, if you find that you love it, then you're gonna find yourself in front of those screens all the time anyway. So let's see. There's a Discord link, guys. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's completely free. And we have some very awesome traders in there. People that know way more than me. I'll pin it to the top. And some people have 20, 30 years of experience trading. John Walk was traded on the pit in the 90s, right? I forget John Walk, but I don't want to date you, but yeah, we have a lot of experience in the chat and on the Discord, so the mustache pit crew, that's right. That's right, John Ragazzo. Were you a floor trader too, John Ragazzo? Any other floor traders in here? Besides John Walk? You used to date a chick that worked on the floor? Oh, wow. That was a tough chick, John. Take it off right there, 400 bucks. So up 280 on this eval right now. Nice trade there, kind of stalling out. My profit target wasn't in any particular spot, but I'm just gonna wait for another setup maybe. If we get another pullback to the VWAP, it'd be a nice little trigger long like we did here. There was a nice little bounce here, 855. I'm just curious if you guys want to spam the chat. Hey, Dubs Trader, yeah, Stock Tiger's the man. I love Stock Tiger. Him and I are big supporters of each other's streams, even though I'm pretty sure that Stock Tiger is the one that goes in and hits the dislike button every night. I know it's Stock Tiger. I know it's you. But no, it's all good. I appreciate the sub, Dubs Trader. Appreciate that. All right, so just waiting for another setup here. We just got out of that trade. Really nice trade. We were in the hole on this account. We went long here at 843. And looks like we probably could have just held it long. Paper hands, right? Paper hands. Thank you, John Ragazzo. I know, Vindy James. Yeah, appreciate you guys. Smash the like button for me, guys, if you guys don't mind. Really appreciate the support. We got over 1,000 subs last week, which is amazing. Thank you, Mo Lester, for yeah, for the donos tonight. 20 gifted subs and $100 dono. Have you ever considered using inside bars? I thought about it. Thought about it, Mo. So yeah, so the inside bar here trade, that was like the confirmation. I was very scared to take it because of this down channel. Then once we broke above the channel, that's when so it was like a double confirmation for me, and that's when we ended up getting in long. So if you guys are new, I like to trade inside bars and haramis, and then little like discretionary type stuff like this. But and now it wants to run as soon as it started to consolidate. Eh. Oh well, it's going without us a little bit. My inside bartender serves up the best whiskeys and old fashions. Yes, when they work beautiful, don't they? Yep. Yeah, kind of a little bull flag, John. Probably if you go down in a smaller time frame, maybe like even a 2 minute or 3 minute, probably a little more defined. Like that. Nice little bull flag pattern. Breakout. A little more uglier on the 5 minute. I pretty much just trade the 5 minute and 1 minute. Sometimes I'll take a pullback to the 9 for a pullback entry. Sometimes this is a little methodical man strat with a 9 crossover and pullback. Usually I do that after 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern time. Yeah, you should, Findy. Sure. You guys come in here, you guys are new YouTubers and stuff. I always give you guys shout outs. I'm not competitive like some of the other guys. Stock Tiger. I give shout outs, Methodical Man, obviously. Terry Trades 100. Joker Trades in the house. Has a YouTube. Who's the other guy? Futures Floor. Whatever. I think that's his name. Forget, but yeah. Findy, I mean, it doesn't really matter if you want to just show your journey, it's fine. I mean, I think there's all kinds of different people that will watch your channel. There's tons of people in the chat that have that even have more experience than me that don't care about my trades whatsoever. They're just here to get their trading fix. And then there's some in here that are probably trying to copy trade me, which is not good, but I get it. And then there's some in here that are, just trying to learn and see how I do things. So there's all kinds of walks of life in the chat, people that watch, Alfred isn't trying to copy my trades, Alfred's doing his own thing. He crushes it. Dan, Design Knob, a lot of these guys I've known in different chats forever. I've seen them around for years. Everyone's trading their own stuff, so I think people just want to see, what you're doing on a daily basis. So yeah, you don't have to be profitable to start a YouTube channel. Nutty Bar was not profitable when he started his YouTube channel. We know that. Going back to the V walk. Yes, and the sleaze bag's waiting for the blow ups. Yeah. Yeah, appreciate you, Alfred. Appreciate the support, buddy. Let's check out gold. We can check out gold, Ryu. Once again, the trend line break on the gold would have worked. We took a nice trend line break off from this. Oops. Not that one. Something like that. We end up taking the long off from this. And it paid out pretty good. I didn't take out profit. It would have paid pretty good. I didn't take profit. I ended up getting stopped up break even. I don't really know what I was looking for. I was looking for the run to the top, I guess. And then you see the trend line right here, and the gold worked really good. So this is something Trades by Slade trades a lot with gold. And I started watching him do it a while back, and I was like, you know, I really like that. Very simple. And I just gotta get better at trading it. Wow. I was really considering a VWAP bounce there. An entry long. I'm glad I did not take it. Amelia, yeah. Yeah, that's what I found nutty. Well, I mean, he did a pretty good marketing thing. He's trading 20 Apex accounts. And I was like, wow. I go, this guy has 20 Apex accounts. I was still a new trader. I was like, that's amazing. But yeah, he's improved so much. So it's awesome to see. So much for the wick test. Yes, so much for the wick test. Have you heard of the new top one futures? So I have heard of it, A6B, but I have not traded it. I don't know. Has anyone else had any luck with top one futures? I think I'm gonna stay away from it for now. I'm not. There's so many good ones. Even the bigger ones are having a little bit of issues right now, so I'm not even gonna touch any new ones. But boy, we just rug pulled big time, huh? Yeah, I'm staying away Tuesday. Only goes up, yeah. Yeah, just a massive pullback there. 50 points. It seems big tonight, but I don't know about you guys, but I'm loving the volatility of the New York sessions last week too. I absolutely love it. Dangerous, but I love it. I hate slow markets. This market hasn't been bad tonight. Not for the overnight, the reopen. That was a clear bear flag. On the what, 1 minute maybe? I don't know. Bostic speaking at 740. Down is the new up. I used to have a chain hoist. Or I didn't have it. My father has a chain hoist at his shop, at his automotive shop. And it's an electric chain hoist. And the buttons on it are backwards. So we always call it the down is up. You gotta push down on the button, the lower button, and to make the chain hoist go up. Which is kind of funny. Hey, Stargazer Lily in the house. What's going on, Star? How's the trading going, Star? Go and look for a trade on the turtle markets. Yes, for sure. Take a look at ES. Camera's a little out of adjustment there. There we go. All right, still looking for another trade here. Getting that pullback. Take a look at the 1 minute here. Currently have 280 on this eval. I did blow an eval earlier if you guys are just tuning in. Full transparency. I only had like 700 in drawdown, I think. And I went in with 2 minis and that did not last long. So yeah, working on this other eval. I have 7 evals that I gotta activate. So that should put me at 9 total PAs on Apex. 3 Take Profit Pro accounts, plus I'm waiting on a Pro Plus account, and 3 My Funded Future Starter accounts. It's currently what I have for funded accounts. I do not have any Bulonox funded accounts currently. Need to work on that. Them too. Need to work on getting my tuition back from Bulonox. You'll never guess how I blew on today. I want to hear it, Butters. I blew a 2 TPTs evals last night. Stocks but replaced them this morning. Oh, nice, Alfred. Was up 15.23. Then I forgot about a position I placed. Oh no! You left an order on. I've done that before, Butters. 3 hours later, you blew it up. Oh. So I tell you what I have in my Tradeify account, guys. My 150K that I was. Hey, Butters, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. I don't know why it comes in so delayed. I appreciate that, buddy. I was gonna say I don't think I've ever seen you in the chat before. Appreciate the new sub. Rip. Yeah. So my Tradeify account, guys, I was having all those issues this morning with the technical issues, and ended up going to 10 contracts. I was in 5, which is too much, but I was in 5. Went up 3,000. Had a massive delay on the Tradeivate, and ended up going in 10 contracts long. Oh, I don't know about long. I went in 10 contracts and yeah, blew the account. Yeah, that one's gone. Been watching for a while. You're the only streamer with good music taste and relatable content. Oh, appreciate you, Butters. Appreciate the support, man. Old woman, whatever. Appreciate that. All right, it had a pretty big pullback. We broke out of this downwards channel. We took a nice long here, 2 contracts. Got out of one at the VWAP. Got out of one at 863, off from 844. Could have got a little more of a runner, but that's all right. And then we rug pulled and busted down through the VWAP here. And it looks like we're trying to gain support again. Kind of putting it in a higher low. You can kind of see here. Kind of see the higher lows. So far. But I don't know. Market, pretty good price action tonight. Started out not so good. Yeah, possibly. Butters, possibly. But yeah, appreciate the sub. If you guys haven't subbed, go ahead and give me a sub and then smash the like button. Appreciate that. Hey, Cranston, what's going on? It's going pretty good tonight. No technical issues so far, so that's always a good night. I had massive technical issues this morning when I tried to stream. Oh, thank you for the sub, Joel. If I missed you guys sub, it's hard to see on my phone. I will be back home tomorrow night, hopefully, as long as my flight goes okay. Yeah, the higher low, but the high is irritating. Yeah, I know it is. Hour and 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes away. Asia open. Market maybe they reduced tariff. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna have a bit of a volume spike here in about 10 minutes. Did put in a harami here. Do we try it? I'm gonna try it here along. Stop's gonna go just below here, 826. Gonna target the high of this candle. Please do not follow my trades, guys. This is on an eval only, risking 285 bucks, so essentially risking tonight's profits. This will probably be close to my last trade tonight. I usually trades from 6 to 8 p.m. Eastern time, and then I trade in the mornings too. I will not be trading tomorrow morning, guys. On stream, I will be flying. I'll be flying away. So, but I am planning on being here tomorrow night, 6 p.m. So, hey, Mike, what's going on? Appreciate the sub. Wayne Otto, what's going on, buddy? $10K flight trade incoming. Alfred, yes. I don't know. What was I on the last flight? JetBlue had pretty good Wi-Fi. I don't know. I'm gonna be flying United, so we'll see. Zero trades for you today, Mike. Hey, that's okay. Magic Mike's in the house. That's right. All right, so we are long here, 840.50 off the Harami. Off from Ed of the Woods programmed this Harami indicator on Tradeovate. So pretty easy to spot him. You can check it out here. Ed of the Woods, one of our subscribers, was nice enough to program a Harami indicator. So pretty awesome. It helps when I'm streaming, so I can just kind of like look over and see it. So because a lot of times I get distracted with the stream and the chat, you know, so it's a little bit more difficult. And so yeah, kind of looking for the break of this top candle here. I don't like how the VWAP right there, so I think I'm gonna front run it if we get up there, just below the VWAP. Pretty much a 1-to-1. Normally I like to target the top of the mother candle, but this time I'm just gonna target, just front run the VWAP here, because it's, I don't know. You can see like how it can kind of bounce, like during this, like the overnights, the lower volume. You can see how it kind of bounces there, right off the VWAP and rejects. So we'll see. We don't know. I'd like to get it before the 8 o'clock hour. There we go. Come on. Tag me out. Put me in, coach. See, it's kind of what I was talking about. Really? Hands off. Stops the break even. Hands off. How many people we got watching, Yo Jim? I can't see it. You guys smash the like button for me. It'd be quite awesome. So Sarami setup here. 130. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys hanging out. I think our record was 180 something the other night. Appreciate that. I haven't seen 200 yet, but we'll get there. We'll get there, guys. Boy, that was a little unlucky there. A little unlucky. Helicopter Tech, what's going on? The 5-minute bar whisperer. Thanks, John Walk. So if you guys want to join the Discord, it's pinned up in the top of the chat. It's completely free if you guys want to join. Yes, front running the Tokyo Open. Alfred, exactly. Oh, come on, man. It's kind of the reason why I moved that stop to break even too, Alfred. I was like, oof, I don't want to wait till that Tokyo Open and then have my stop way down here because you could just whip down real quick. So took a risk off. It's a risk off trade. Kind of was a dick for a tick there. Asian market set to rise after tech rally pushes Wall Street. A little headline there. Thank you, John Ragazzo. Stopped out break even there, but we got the Tokyo Open here in 1 minute. So pretty nice trade. Got a little unlucky on the take profit. I shouldn't have been a dick for a tick, but my thinking of that we would try to front run that VWAP was correct. I was looking for the original target is above this candle here. We still could get it. I mean, the original stop is down here, and we're risking 280 to make like 280, so it was like a 1-to-1 on this particular trade, but it's still actually in play. It's just with the Asian market open here, it's a little scary. No fill. Only get fills on the stops. Never get filled on the take profits. And there it goes. There it goes. Wow. There it goes. Oh well. That's trading sometimes, you know? Sorry about the squeaky chair. Hey Joel, what's going on? How's it going, guys? Appreciate you guys stopping in. Hey, his Royal Trades, what's happening? What's going on? So not too bad. Made a few good trades tonight. Started out really rocky. Ended up battling back a little bit on this eval. Killed another eval earlier. So pretty good day overall. I finished green on these PAs here. These PAs are looking really nice. 5,400, 5,500 on these PAs. The My Funded Futures, I ended up 400 on each one of those accounts after being down 300. And I did blow a Trade-a-Fi funded account today that I had up pretty big, so it was a little unfortunate. I had a little bit of technical issue, but I'm not going to sweat it. It wasn't all technical issues, but so yeah, not a bad day. Still waiting on my three pro accounts from Take Profit Trader, and I'm still waiting on my Pro Plus account for them to activate the Pro Plus account on this account here that I made 10,000 in that one day. So yeah, so no stream tomorrow morning, guys. No stream tomorrow morning. I will be traveling, but I'm 100% planning on being here for tomorrow night at 6 p.m. back at my own desk. So we'll stream again. And thank you guys. Thank you, Mo, for the 20 gifted subs and the $100 donation. So really appreciate that, Mo. And I appreciate you guys using my code PINE for Buellanox, Apex, Take Profit Trader, and My Funded Futures. That really helps. That shows the support for the small channel. I really appreciate that, guys. I just got my Take Profit Trader code, and you guys have already used it. And I also just got my Funded Future code. So code PINE, all caps, Take Profit Trader if you guys want to use it. 30% off. And no activation fees. So appreciate you guys using my little baby code, and I'm gonna call it right there. I'm gonna go get some dinner thanks to Mo. Uncle Mo is here and just paid for my dinner, so extra guac on the Chipotle. And we'll do a giveaway by the end of this week, guys, when I get back home. Courtesy of Mo Lester in the house. We'll do a cash giveaway. We'll do a moose race. So when I get back to the house. Thanks, Sean. Thank you, everyone. I really appreciate the support. Sorry about the technical issues this morning. I'm glad everything worked out tonight. So we'll have a moose race. That's right. Go check out Stock Tiger. He's over there hanging out, I'm sure. I'm sure he's live. Smash the like button on your way out and use code PINE. Appreciate you guys.